Hi and welcome. I'm Janhvi Pandit, Marketing Coordinator at the International College of Manitoba, or ICM. I'm very excited to learn that you've expressed an interest in joining ICM and the University of Manitoba. Canam is absolutely the right first step for you to take to achieve your higher education goals in Canada. And how do I know this? Well, from personal experience, because 12 years ago, Canam counselors helped me in achieving this dream. And now you see me in front of you, a successful professional working in Canada. So come to Canam if you would like to achieve your dream of studying at the University of Manitoba and having a successful career in Canada. I'll tell you a little bit about University of Manitoba now. The UM is Western Canada's oldest university. It was established 140 years ago and is part of the coveted U15 group of research-intensive universities in Canada. We're in some great company as University of Toronto, UBC, and McGill are part of this U15 group. So if you have big aspirations of having amazing careers, University of Manitoba is the place for you. University of Manitoba also has some fantastic co-op programs. So this means as you move on to the University of Manitoba as a student in your later years, you can be part of the co-op program and get paid work experience and network and make connections within the professional industry in Manitoba. Manitoba has a stable economy that really has great jobs and great opportunities for all students desiring in any stream that they want to go into. ICM helps you make the tough transition from a high school in India to university in Canada. And we have amazing supports which help you really focus on your academic careers and make great connections outside the classroom. So if you would like to come to ICM and the University of Manitoba, please make an appointment with your Canam counselors between April 15th and 23rd at a day and time slot that's convenient to you. Thank you so much, and I can't wait to see you soon.